Hello friends, day 132, and I left the city of Wells and travelled along Monarch's Way for a while, and that continued to be good. A few hills, the tail end of the Mendips, and then things levelled off a bit, but there was a connecting path between Monarch's Way and the MacLeod Way West, which was my next long distance trail, and the connecting path was very overgrown, and I've got some fairly severe scrapes and scratches on my legs, and it took me over an hour to do half a mile at one point just to fight my way through all the brambles. And that was the point at which I was supposed to be doing an interview on BBC Radio Somerset. So I ended up doing my interview standing around in all the brambles, but it was a good interview and a really nice DJ. I toyed with the idea of camping on the golf course, well, not on the golf course but next to the golf course, but there were still rather a lot of people around there, so I've come down into a field instead. Let's take a look at some of the places I've been, some of those overgrown paths, and I'll see you on the trail. These are some scrapes and scratches I got today. This is my room with a view tonight, tucked away on the side of a field, not far from the footpath.